Programming a smart key fob for the 2018-2021 Ford Expedition is often doable at home. Yes, programming a smart key fob for a 2018-2021 Ford Expedition is often doable at home. However, Ford's advanced security, the passive anti-theft system or PATS, can make it tricky. You'll typically need two already programmed keys to start. While DIY guides are widely available, proceed with caution. Incorrect timing or faulty keys can lead to failure, potentially requiring a dealer reset. But DIY remains a cost-effective option for experienced users. Success rates for DIY programming are reported at 70 to 90%. Start with preparation. Ensure your vehicle is unlocked and you have two working keys. Next, initiate programming mode. Insert a programmed key and turn the ignition to on position, but do not start the engine. Within 5 seconds, press and hold both lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 4 to 6 seconds until you hear a chime. Now program new keys. Repeat the button press step for each additional key you want to program, up to 8 total. Finally, exit programming mode by cycling the ignition off, then on. Important tips include ensuring fresh key fob batteries, paying close attention to timing, as incorrect timing can erase all programmed keys, and noting that push-button start models may have slightly different procedures. Common pitfalls include incorrect procedure erasing all keys requiring dealer reset, costing $50 to $150, key fobs draining quickly, and non-compatible keys causing failure.